Miss Janelle here, Arts and Humanities Director for the YMCA of Greater Brandywine, and I am here with something super yummy to share with you. I am going to share one of my family's favorite breakfast recipes. Are you ready? Pennsylvania Dutch Apple Fritter Pancakes. Super yummy, super easy, and you may even have all the ingredients right now in your kitchen, okay? So let's cook as a family, as a team. Have fun in the kitchen, be safe, wash your hands, and let me know how the pancakes turn out. See you next time.
First, you want to start out with 2 cups of pancake mix. Next, preheat the stove to low heat. And dice up an apple and put it into the bowl. Put your 2 cups of pancake mix into a bowl. Then add a 1.5 cups of water to the mix. Now mix it all up. Now add your diced apple into the mix. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon into your mix. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Now add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now mix it all up. Then add pan spray onto your pan. Now put the mix onto the pan in circles. Once you see bubbles on the pancakes, you now know it's time to flip. Last but not least, add your favorite pancake toppings onto your new pancakes.